In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes to your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're looking to enhance your PDF content or simply want to mark up a document effectively, these tools will give you the flexibility you need to make your PDFs even more engaging. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you've got your document ready, it's time to access the drawing and annotation tools. To do this, navigate to the Tools menu at the top of your screen and select Comment. Alternatively, you can open the comment toolbar directly from the right-hand side of your window. This action will reveal an array of drawing tools you'll find helpful for adding shapes and annotations to your document. Now that you have access to the drawing tools, you can choose the shape you'd like to work with. You'll see options like lines, arrows, rectangles, ovals, or circles, polygons, clouds, and more. Take a moment to consider which shape best suits your needs, whether it's pointing out specific details, highlighting areas of interest, or adding annotations for clarity. Once you've chosen your shape, it's time to draw it on your PDF. Click and drag the cursor on the page to create your shape. When you're happy with the size and position, simply release the mouse button to place it. It's as easy as that. Now let's talk about personalization. After placing your shape, you may want to customize it to match your document style or to highlight certain elements effectively. Click on the shape to select it. From here, you can modify various properties like line weight, color, fill, opacity, and even the border style. If you right-click the shape or select properties, you'll find more options like dashed lines or the addition of callouts, allowing for further customization to enhance your document's readability. If needed, you can also move or resize the shape using the handles. Simply drag the shape to a new location or pull on the handles to adjust its size. For neatness, use alignment guides or the arrange options if you need to layer shapes in a specific order within your document. Occasionally, you might place a shape mistakenly. No worries, just select that shape and press delete to remove it, and then you can redraw it as necessary. If you're making multiple edits, consider using the copy and paste functions to maintain a consistent shape size and color throughout your document. And a quick tip, if your PDF will be shared with others for annotations, think about flattening the document or creating a copy after making final adjustments to preserve the layout and formatting. Finally, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.